Welcome to the world of MrBeast's video editing. Today, we'll explore his unique style and how it captures millions of viewers. Fast-paced editing keeps viewers engaged. Quick cuts and dynamic transitions are key to maintaining interest. Incorporate eye-catching text overlays. This emphasizes key points and enhances storytelling. The right sound effects and music can elevate your video's overall experience. Choose wisely. Achieve a vibrant color palette that mirrors the MrBeast brand through effective color grading. Understanding timing is crucial. Build anticipation and excitement throughout your video. Integrate humor and trending memes to connect with your audience. Laughter creates memorable moments. Don't forget to highlight pivotal moments that keep your viewers engaged and wanting more. Emphasize feedback and continuous improvement in your editing process. Iterative editing is essential. Now it's your turn. Take these techniques and apply them to enhance your own editing skills.